guys, Jaleesa here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a crochet look for you guys. The last crochet look that I did was back in January and I will link it to the side. But those crochet locks were actually goddess locks, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. Still locks, but this hair was actually sent to me by Rockin Collection, and they sent me this hair to do a review on so that I could give you guys my honest opinion on this hair. As you guys know, I have filmed a ton of crochet styles on my channel, and this is yet another new one. So this is the hair, the packaging. Alright, so this hair is actually, like I said, from Rockin Collection, and this is their 2-tone Mambo Rockin Locs Extremely Natural Texture crochet hair. So this packaging says that this hair is extremely lightweight and it is 20 inches. I have the hair in a color 2, and let me just say I have not gotten the color 2 with crochet hair in so long, so I hope this dark hair does not scare me, because usually I get like the color 4, and that's like a really kind of dark brown / light brown color, but this is number 2, so it's like an off black color. So yeah, I actually took some hair out of the packaging already so that you guys could see what it looks like. I'm gonna try to go in a little closer so you guys can see. So as you can see, a really natural look to this hair. These are the ends of the hair. Now the ends kind of threw me a little bit because it's different, but I have a feeling that this hair is going to be really pretty. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I am going to install this hair. As you can see, the front part of my hair, I have 8 braids going across the front, so I didn't want to pack this hair in and make it too thick, but I feel like I have just the right amount of braids to really give me a decent look. So I'm going to show you guys what the back of my head is looking like. Alright, so yeah, I have my crochet needle up here, and I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to start at the back and then work my way up. And yeah, let's just get started. Alright guys, so I am basically done with my hair. I went in and added some hair jewelry. I didn't say it at the beginning of the video, but there were 10 locks per pack and I used 6 packs of hair. Just like the packaging said, this hair is lightweight. Not that I'm going to put it up in a bun or anything, because when styles are really fresh, I don't like to yank on them too much and cause stress to my hair. So the main thing that I'm going to be doing is basically wearing my hair down or in a half up, half down style like this. Just basically pulling some of the hair back and putting it in a ponytail, but that's about it. This style, I recommend it. Locks are not going out of style. You guys know I love my crochet lock tutorials. I will link some of them off to the side or down in the description box for you guys to check out. But if you've been following me for a while, you know, like since last year, the crochet locks have been my thing. I don't think I will ever lock my hair, even though you guys always say go ahead and lock your hair, it would be so cute, and people tell me that when they see me as well, but I'm like, no, I don't want to. Locks are beautiful, but definitely I don't want to do that because I love to play in my hair too much. But yeah, this is the style. I definitely recommend it. I'm not sure exactly how much the hair is per pack, but I will leave a link down below to where you guys can check it out. And yeah, that's about it. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.